Hey there, it's Jessica. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear cookies and cache on Facebook. If you've noticed your app taking up a lot of space or running slower than usual, this quick fix can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's open, tap on the menu icon. It's located in the bottom menu bar, or top right corner. Next, scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section and select Settings. This will bring up a list of options to customize your Facebook experience. Now, look for the Preferences section and tap on Browser. In this menu, you'll see a section called Browsing Data. This is where you can clear cookies and cache that Facebook has stored. Tap on the Clear button, and just like that, all the unnecessary browsing data is gone. This helps free up space on your device and can even improve the app's performance. And there you have it. A simple way to keep your Facebook app running smoothly and your phone a little lighter. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.